I run because it's hard. It hurts a lot.
Let's go. Come on.
But it makes me a bit stronger every day. When I get discouraged in life, I remember that everything is a process, just like running. There are going to be highs and lows, uphill and downhill. Just knowing that brings me encouragement. It helps me to continue working toward my goals. It helps me to find that bit of encouragement that I need to maintain laser focus in all areas of my life. It is not about immediate results. For me, it's about building a pattern of success for the rest of my life. There are times when my mind is all cloudy and I can't think straight, feeling overwhelmed with my work, research, and relationships. But when it's just me and my running shoes, I'm free. It's just me and the road. A dialogue between the two competing voices going on in my head. One saying, "You'll never be good enough. Just stop." The other voice says, "Every step is making you stronger." It is not about how today's run went or tomorrow's, but that you are here now working toward building your strength for the next month, year, 10 years, and for the rest of your life. When I'm done a really hard run, I am exhausted. I left all of myself on that road. Those thoughts that were swirling in my head before are quiet now. I can think clearly. I'm physically tired, but my motivation is back. I feel alive again for those 3, 5, 10 miles. Oh man, that was a crazy run. Ran about 5 miles. It's like 90 degrees outside. Just ran hill after hill. Felt so good. I was in the zone. Every bead of sweat on my body is a worry or stress that is gone now. Just kind of bringing it back, pushing hard. There's a couple of times where I was just like, I can't go. It's just too humid, too hot. And you just got to push through it. One step after another, you just go. And then when you hit that downhill, it just feels so rewarding. You just keep pushing and pushing, and it feels fantastic, man. I feel so good right now. Maintaining positive mental health is without a doubt supported by me having a strong daily workout routine, a healthy lifestyle. I've been running my whole life, and I remember at the end of the Tokyo Marathon, I was on pace for a very fast time. I had 3 miles left. Then I hit the wall. You know that moment when your legs shut down and you feel like your legs are tree trunks, your body aches, you're thirsty, and you just want to stop. You're done. But I remember this guy passing me on the road who said, "Don't give in, come with me." And this shot of adrenaline came over me that I didn't know I had. Everything hurt, but it didn't matter. Instead of ignoring the pain, I fully embraced it. When I looked directly at it, it turned away. And I realized a stronger version of myself was just 3 miles away. I continued across the finish line and knew something in me had changed. I was ready to listen to that positive voice more. What else does it have to say? I realized that this was just the beginning of so much more. How else have I been wrecking potential because of my fear of pain or challenge or failure? Who else have I been listening to in my life that sounded like the negative voice in my head? I wanted to surround myself with thoughts and people who are positive, those that build me up and whom I can build up in return.